Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Xbox One dimension. That's right, guys, and we're hopefully going to be kicking some butt on the Xbox One. Hopefully it does work, guys. But what you guys are going to need to head to this Xbox One dimension is you're going to need 10 black wool. You want to go ahead and place 2 of them just like that, guys. And then you're going to need fur white wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of those on each side of your black wool just like that, guys. Make sure it looks exactly like that. And after it looks like that, you just want to go ahead and jump on up and then grab your black wool and then place 1, 2, 3 black wool and then 1 white wool on top, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on down, guys. And then you want to place 1, 2, 3 black wool and then 1 white wool on top, guys. And then you want to place 2 black wool in the middle. Now you just want to go ahead, after you have done that, jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Now it's time to go ahead, grab your flint and steel and light this baby up, and wow, that looks absolutely amazing, guys. Now it's time to go ahead and head on in to this dimension, guys. Hopefully it will load up quick, guys. Hopefully it will load up quick. And oh my god, that loaded up quick, and wow, that is an absolutely humongous Xbox One, guys. And it looks like they might be playing, I'm not even for sure, guys. It looks like they're playing some Minecraft or something. Let me just go and click the A button. And did they just move? Let me go ahead and click the B button. Oh my god, I think they did move. I'm not for sure, guys. I'm not 100% sold on it, but they might have moved. And whoa, this must be the joystick, guys. And I can't even get up on the joystick. Let me go ahead and play some TNT to get up on the joystick, guys. Actually, I can customize the joystick with my TNT thumb expansion, guys. Now I'm like those pro gamers that have like the big thumbstick. And it's actually pretty funny, guys, seeing it. But let's go ahead and let's spawn our pig and let's head up to the console, guys, and see what is inside the console. Actually, I would like to see what's behind the console, if they actually added an HDMI card or not. So let's go ahead and head on up here, guys. It looks absolutely amazing from the down view. It looks amazing when you get up close to it as well, guys. I think these pigs are making a plan to try to steal my Xbox One or maybe one of my controllers. I'm not really for sure, guys. I think they might want my controller with the special thumbstick. But let's go ahead and head on up, guys, and take a look at this TV, because we got to see if this Xbox One is being powered by an HDMI card, guys, or if they just went cheap on it. And oh my god, they actually did add an HDMI card, guys. Wow, that is amazing, guys. But I do wonder how this Xbox One is getting power, because there's no power card. There's just an HDMI card, unless they figured some way to like move the power through the HDMI card. I'm not really for sure. Don't look like there's any power card over there, guys, or any batteries. So let's go ahead and blow this machine up and see if it is solid or if there's actually wires inside it, guys. This is going to be interesting. This is going to be really interesting. And it looks like it's solid. Unfortunately, it is solid, guys. I was hoping to blow it up and then like Herobrine be inside there, guys, like controlling everything and, you know, like kicking people's butts. Like all of a sudden you see your controller like blow up and you're like, oh my god, how did that happen? And it's actually Herobrine doing it. He actually blew up your controller. That would be pretty funny, guys. But unfortunately, he is not inside the game machine. But you know, we got to see if he's inside the controller, guys. So I'm gonna have to blow up my custom TNT joystick controller, guys, to see if he is inside her. So let's go ahead and put the TNT all over the controller, guys. I wish I could do this with my real Xbox One controller, because it's in really bad shape, guys. It's in really bad shape and it really needs to be blown up. So let's go ahead and blow this one up, guys. Boom. Oh my god. Whoa, that blew us back, guys. That blew us back a pretty far distance. But wow, guys, I cannot believe the Xbox One is in Minecraft. I'm actually looking at it right now. But if you guys did enjoy this Minecraft dimension video, which I know you did, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button, thumbs up button, and also tell me what you thought about it down in the comment section below. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.